Kino, bless up, bless up.
We're
coming from the States, we watch your video like every day. We just I didn't know I was gonna see you. I watch Mara's video like every day.
Thank you so much.
What you guys doing out here? What you guys doing out here? Just flexing?
Yeah. Alright, thank you.
Alright,
Yes, you're welcome. Thank you.
Big up.
Alright, thank you.
Alright, take care.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, Dio, go put the bag. A good thing. If I'm up here, I'll catch. Oh, yeah. Watch where I go on. Alright, big up, yeah? Yeah. Well, blessed love. Good morning. It's very windy. It's a windy morning, you know. And it's that time for us to say goodbye to this lovely, you know, housing scheme, this lovely Airbnb. You know, I want to thank her so much, our subscriber, you know, for inviting us here, you know, giving this wonderful vacation, you know. Loving it, you know, we really love it, you know. I'm here just doing a video quick before we leave out, you know. D is getting ready, you know, come on, the females getting ready, I have to give them the here to do so. Yeah, so I'm just here, you know, giving my thanks, you know, thank you so much to our lovely subscriber, you know, for considering us, you know, for staying at their Airbnb, which is so lovely, so wonderful, you know. I'm telling you, we're gonna miss it. Right now I don't feel like leaving it, you know. I wish I could take it with me, put it inside the car, pack it up and bring it with me, but too bad we have to leave it, you know. I'm saying it was a wonderful stay here, you know. It was words cannot explain, as you can see for yourself, you know. It is not even 10 out of 10. This one is ratings above, we above, you know. Sky is the limit for these ratings, guys. You need to come check it out. Not even check it out, just book it out. We need to book it out, you know. You need to come have this experience by here in Ocean Point and over Lucy. You know, we have the beach, you know, it's across there, but apparently it's a bit windy now, you know. It's so windy. The sea is rough as well too, very rough tide, you know. You cannot swim. If you swim, it swim you back away, take you away. So, but the pool here is nice. Yeah, we have a wonderful time. You see that the pool, as you can see, but it is nice. You need to check it out. Housing scheme is very nice and everything, you know. It's too bad we're gonna miss it, you know. I have to say goodbye to it for now, you know, but we'll definitely come back here in the future, you know. So as you can see, we're gonna be on anywhere the sun shines, you know. Anywhere the sun shines, that's where we'll be going, you know. And until then, you know, we have a few stops, you know, to return back to some place and then go back to another. So you know it goes already. Like you have your rest stop, then your go stop. So you rest, then you go, you know. So we got more, so stay tuned, you know. Remember, put the thumbs up. If you reach this far, you haven't put the thumbs up, go and put the thumbs up. Smash the like button each time you're watching this video, you know. And if you haven't subscribed, just double check to see if you're subscribed or if you don't subscribe. You know, just remember to subscribe to Kina Life in Jamaica. Check out the Moangos. The link would always be in the description. Also for this Airbnb, you know, as I say, go and book it out. Don't check it out or look it out. Yeah, look on it, but go and book it out and check it out. So yeah, man, well, welcome to Ocean Point. So we're gonna hit the road now. He cried.
Trust me, guys, it has been an amazing experience. Like, whoa, I wish I could stay for like a year in the same space. Thank you so much to our host. Thank you so much. Like, this place has been a true vacation. Personally, I haven't uploaded any video. I wasn't working. I was on vacation mode. So finally, time to say goodbye. Everything that has a beginning has an end. So if you're looking forward to get like a staycation or a vacation in Lucy, Parish or Hanover, be sure to book this place. You won't regret it. It's the best. The best. So special shout out and thanks to our host. Thank you so much and God bless you. So Team D, you know how we do it? Go do the reservations, all right?
Book it out, book it out. Please don't look it out. Just book it out, book it out. Please don't look it out, book it out. Book it out.
So we're leaving.
So guys, we're leaving. You know, it's sad to say that we're leaving, but boy, as I say, I wish you could have put the house inside the car and try
go
with
with it.
us. But cannot. Yeah, but we thank them so much, you know, for having us, and we'll be heading on to another parish anywhere the sun shines. You never know. Yeah, but the outfit of the day, no desert clocks.
I'm just reconnecting with nature. How can I sell my clocks? Actually, I need to brush them. Let me brush them.
Yeah, get the brush and brush them. Yeah. So imagine, yeah, the way she love the clocks, she don't want to wear the clocks on the side. She want to carry it in her hand, guys. So guys, we got enough the next part. So we thank you so much for watching Kid Life in Jamaica and the Mwango. You know, you can check her out on her channel. You know, the link will be in the description. You know, and also the link for this Airbnb will be in the description. Please go and book it out. You know, also we thank you so much. You are above the limit. Sky is the limit. We thank you so much. Blessed love. We're gonna hit the road, Jack.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me feel. Then I want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Finish. You finish it and show it. Only if them open. Well, you know, we'll make a stop off.
You wanna check on something?
Yeah, I think this is on it's a new shopping. What's the name of this? I forgot the name of this village. Is this open? Try and pull it. Try and pull it. Close. Guess it's closed. Walk around this side and see.
Maybe the door is on the other side.
Yeah. I forgot the name of it. What's the name of in here? What's the name of this shopping place?
Witter Village Plaza.
Huh?
Witter Village.
Oh, Witter Village. Okay. Yeah, so we are Witter Village Plaza.
Montego Bay.
In Montego Bay. It says Witter Village Plaza. That's what it's called. Witter Village Plaza.
Okay, thank you.
Hold on.
Tino, bless up, bless up.
We're
We're coming from the States, we're watching video like every day. We just had, I didn't know I was going to see you. I watch Mara's video like every day.
Thank you so much.
What are you guys doing out here? What are you guys doing out here? Just flexing?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you.
Alright,
Yes, you're welcome. Thank you.
Big up.
Alright, thank you.
Alright, take care.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, Dio, go put the bag. A good thing. Don't make it break the spirit. Don't let it break the spirit. I'm looking. Diamond duty free, which I hope you. Diamonds, no, not over here. Suppers here, patties, Indian.
You don't get to the price.
Yeah, more prices. Don't you seem like it's the best price?
Yeah.
Only that Monday. Oh guys, we are searching. I don't think. If I won't be able to catch. Oh yeah. Watch where I go on. Big up, yeah? Yeah. See. Our subscribers is everywhere. Every corner walk.
I appreciate it. Like today I've met so many.
Yeah. As they walk to the right, they walk to the left. There's none. Doesn't look like any over here. Let's check this out. So guys, we're just walking, checking out stores that I'm in here in Montego Bay. Yeah, just checking them. But it seems like there's not much on this side. We have, yeah, so we have blue diamonds. I don't think there is any over here. Only D shop. Only D shop is here. That's D shop.
Which D shop?
This shop.
Why?
Look, so we can get done in there. Yeah, D shop. So there's nothing much over here. So I guess we'll have to try Ochi.
Where can we get a
Huh?
cat?
In this shop. Can't get it in here. Let's see. This guy, so you know, it's Esther's birthday. You know, Esther's birthday is it's Esther's birthday, we're buying her a gift for her birthday. You don't want more?
Hold on. Test yourself again. That means you're gonna test that again. Good man. That's not sure. No, sir.
So two that do it right. So we have two more extra piece then.
Automatic style everyone.
And you buy now, we can put back that.
Automatic
Oh,
style.
I can put this back.
Yeah. Yes, Esther is your gift. So this is Esther's birthday present. You know, so buy her the parts. You know, buy her the parts and you bought her handbags. So I bought her the parts and you bought her handbags.
Alright.
So Esther, you better can cook. Esther, you better can cook. Think you're there for you. Hey, you want to live a restaurant and done no bank book, cook. So I buy all this pot for your birthday, so she better can cook. See me buy the pot fishy look. She not gonna live a restaurant and done her bank book, cook. She better get the recipe book. Go in the kitchen cause I say, boy big Sunday morning, you lay down in a bed.
Go to a restaurant, hello.
Yeah, she not go in a restaurant and done her bank book. Esther, you better can cook. Yeah, see me buying a pot for your look. You not gonna leave a restaurant and done your bank book, you better cook. Recipe book. Yes.
You go down
I'm go tired to see your face. I'm go tired to see your face. Them a go tired to see your face. Yeah, celebrity now. Yeah, celebrity now, okay?
Oh yeah.
Celebrity, them a go tired. No, them a go see your face enough. Them a go tired to see your face. Yeah.
Yeah, no man. No, you pull now. 1632. And little 2032. Go down on the cash here. Yeah.
Yes guys, so we here in Montego Bay. What's the name of this plaza again?
Whicher Village.
Whicher Village.
Yeah, clinic here.
Yeah, so
You and the J. Then I have to buy a little more.
much?
Hold on to this one.
Empty box, that's
good.
What did I say?
Oh man, set the back all parallel. Yeah man. Because put this on a this.
Where's the bag?
Put on a this.
Bigger the bag there, please.
Oh, sorry.
Open the door. Yeah, like them.
Yeah, that's 200.
Oh.
Even that was still
Go ahead for the bag. Yeah. Go on. Alright, go on. Give that.
You good like that?
Yeah, man. Leave him a drink behind. Alright then.
Well.
Yes, Esther. So viewers, so Esther give you. Y'all already see it. So D got her gift.
We love you, Esther. She's the best. When I'm in Trenchtown, you'll think I'm in a 5-star hotel. She treats me so good. She's so sweet. And I love her more because she's so smart. You know, when you meet a lady who is just as smart as you are, is the one. So Esther, we love you and happy birthday.
Yeah. Happy birthday, Esther. So I guess the viewers them you already see Esther gift. Yeah. And as I said, Esther, you better can cook. Timmy are buying a pot for you. Look, you're not gonna leave a restaurant and go down near bank book. Esther, cook. Get the recipe book. Go in at the kitchen cause you and them no. Say pull up again. Esther, you better can cook. You think me are buying a pot for you. Look, you want to leave a restaurant and go down your bank book. Cook. Recipe book. Go in at the kitchen cause you and them no. Cook.
Cook chapati because I taught you how to cook chapati, so you'd rather carry on.
You rather hurry up, so Esther, you better can cook. Timmy are buying a pot for you. Look, you better can cook.
Yeah,
so
that is it.
So Esther, you better can cook.
Esther, you better can cook chapati and everything, dumplings, everything.
I'm gonna make a single song. So Esther, you better can cook.
Esther, you better can cook. We didn't buy pot for you to look.
You're not gonna leave a restaurant and done the bank book. Get the recipe book.
Yeah.
Go in the kitchen cause you and them no nook.
We love you, Esther. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Esther. Happy birthday.
And she has the same name as my mom.
Yeah. Alright, Esther, so you better can cook.
Yeah.
We're not buying this pot for you to look. You see me? You're not gonna leave a restaurant and done your bank book. Cook. Please get the recipe book. Go in the kitchen cause you and them no nook. Happy birthday, Esther. in the pot then for go cook, right? Welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica. Welcome. So we're here today, you know, we're back here in Ochi. You know, back here in Ochi, I guess the sun wasn't shining, so we end up where the sun wasn't shining, because you can see there's no sun shining today. It's been raining, so you know, and usually we say we're going to go where the sun leads us, so I guess the sun wasn't shining, so we get lost. So we end up back here in Ochi. Yes guys, I hope you smash that like button. I hope you subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I thank you so much for watching Kina Life in Jamaica. So we're here, you know, we'll come visit D at D's home, you know. So guys, I'm gonna show you what it's like in D's home. So first I want to show you the neighborhood, and before I can show you the tree house, you know. So let me see. So guys, so we're gonna take, you know, a tour in the neighborhood, you know, before I head back to the house. So let's take, you know, on a tour before I head back to the house, right? So I'm gonna take you on a small tour to see what the neighborhood is like, you know, before we head back to the house. Can show you what's inside, you know. What it's all living in nature here, you know. Right here is like it's all nature, you know, as you can see, lots of trees, you know, surrounded by a lot of greeneries, lot of trees everywhere, and houses there, you know. I like this house on my left here, the yellow house, you know. I can see they constructing something right here as well too, you know. As I say, it's a very lovely community this is, you know, and trust me, it's all gated, you know, security to get in. So you cannot walk in like that. You have to have someone that to grant you to come in, you know. Someone you have to be on the list to come in as well. This guy's all gated community. You cannot just roll in like that. Well secure, you know. So it's all secure and everything. So rolling through the community and things. So you guys have to remember, all gated, all security for surety, right? So everything is secure. So rolling through, rolling past, you know. It's very lovely, very quiet, it's very nice. As I can say, I see myself living inside of this gated community. You can see myself, very peaceful, it's very lovely and everything. So rolling through, rolling still, you know, inside the community. So we're here same way Ochi, you know. As what I'm saying, the sun never leads us to where we want to go, you know, because the sun stops shining. So the sun is our radar, so once it stops shining we got lost and we end up back where we know, you know. So it's much easier. So how lovely is this area. Very nice. The house them is very nice, as you can see. Very nice gated area. You cannot get in without access from someone that's living here. It will be impossible for you to get in here, you know. Highly security, highly secure. So nice walking, you can relax, you know. It's so lovely, you know. It's so lovely, so lovely. Wow. I'm just, yeah. Yeah. Yes, guys. So I must say we just strolling through. Just see a good friend of ours just strolling through. So it's so lovely, you know. It's so lovely. You know, this estate is, I don't know how long now it's been developed, you know, but it is highly alike over here. So them do this with the right white gravel, you know, with the palm tree, with the white gravel. Great idea. That's a very great idea. So that's the only one that everything has got grass, but they got the white gravel right there. Smart. You know, as you can see the house them here. It's very lovely. It's very lovely. So I guess all the house them is like built up differently from how the tree house is, you know. So as you can see, it's different design, different idea. So it's very creative of what the man did for creating the tree house. All the house them is like the same, you know. It's very unique. I like this community somewhere here in Outreas. You know, you're walking by and everything, exploring the community. You know, so lovely. Wow. So guys, I was walking up there. You see where the yellow house is? So this is on the next side. So I guess you have front and back entrance. No, so over here is a different entire house itself. And as I'm walking here, I'm going to show you exactly where the tree house is. Jamaica is so beautiful, you know, so beautiful, you know. It's very, very beautiful. Look, there's a tree house there. That's where D is. Look at the tree house. It is the only house that's different from everything else. It's the only one that is different from all the houses that are around here. Look. So that's the tree house up there. Great idea. Wow. So you can even walk from here to go up to the tree house. You know, and they're building another one right next to it. So beautiful. Love it, but now I like the idea of him, you know, building the tree house. I like the design as well, to the shape of it. Jamaica, the land we love. Jamaica, the land we love, you know. We have to cherish it. As I can see, this was built up in like, you know, it's all trees, lots of trees, lots of greenery, and all the places lots of scenery. You know, so you have the bushes and you have green banana hanging over the banana tree there. You know, I don't know how far this community goes, but I'm just walking, strolling, showing you what's it like in here. So I don't know where I'm going to end up if I keep walking on this road. You know, I wonder, you have a coconut tree, so this definitely look like the countryside, you know. This area is like a countryside gated community, you know. It's like the countryside gated community. Wow. Our island is so beautiful, you know. So look at this yard, country like, with the trees them. If there's no sun don't shine in this yard, land with the house and everything. Wow. Big land. There's a lot of land as well to land space around here, like people still live. Yeah man, this is so nice. This is so nice. Not even lying. It's so big I can continue walking because I cannot see where it leads to, because you have all the way, you can go all the way up there and you can go all the way there, you know. So let's walk this direction some more. Got the tree, as you can see the tree house is over there. So let's walk some more, touring this community. Wow, this is so country like, you know, the country vibes. This is the countryside of the housing scheme, because you know most of the housing scheme that you see is not this type of housing scheme where the gated community is like country like this, you know. This is definitely country like. It's like here in the uptown country, you know, rolling through. Is that Rasta man? African Empress, remember? Hey. Hey, so where your girl, eh? Hey, man, so where your girl, eh? Big up. She there about, man, she there about. Like I say. Yeah, man, she there about, man.
Come for down, so me I go Friday and me say come up.
Yeah.
Rasta man around down for. No. For down, so me I go.
Yeah. What me I walk by, so how far the community stretch to? You know, how far it goes?
Way back around, so.
Way back around, so. The man say, yo, where my girl, eh?
My girl, if I want to sit, look at my face, man, me just drop off one ladder since my face are, you know.
Hey, drop off one ladder?
All on my face. Try me not do me. Some water.
Wait, I catch water and drop off?
The leather, the stick break.
The stick break? Oh, so the leather never firm then?
It's firm, man, but it tries to be in a rain there.
So late, so.
Hold on.
Yeah. So guys, I'm here with D Mongo's Rasta man. You know I go Kenya very soon. Him and the Empress D. Him say hold on, him going around there, so. The man, as the man see me, I'm say, oh, the man say, where my girl at? Where my girl at? D finally find the Rasta man. She finally find the Rasta man. D, she finally find the Rasta man. Finally find the. Well, she could take him back to motherland. She could take him back to the motherland. Son, daughter, all the land. She get son and daughter and all the land. Hey, she finally find the Rasta man. Finally find the Rasta. Hey, celebrate. Finally find the Rasta man. She get son, daughter and all the land. She getting son and daughter and all the land. She getting cows, goat. Well, the man was so happy to see, to ask, where's D? Where's my girl? Where's my girl? You know, so I guess he will meet him girl very soon. I guess the rain is dewing. The rain is dewing. Rain a dew again. D finally find the Rasta man. Where once ago? Alright, so we like the rain a dew, we just head back that direction and then. You know, so you definitely go see her today.
Yeah, for the day me say she come back the Rasta.
Yeah.
The Rasta and so me give me number.
Yeah.
That's my bag.
Oh, so we say it was a different owner before, so now it's a different owner take over.
Different people are monitor the house.
Okay.
They're not ready.
So them hire someone else?
They're not hire nobody. We don't work with them.
Oh, so you're not working with them?
They're not people that don't ready, man.
So what are you going to do for yourself? What are you going to do?
Get a different hustling. Different hustling there. Different hustling.
Oh. Wow. So that means you now I can't see an Empress then anymore?
Oh man, me give me number man and me out the pine out post man. I walk with you man.
Okay. So the owner will take over, they're in charge of the community to keep clean and them stuff and they.
Yeah, so them say. But they can't manage it.
You can't manage it.
They can't manage it, them not job there, you know.
It's too much.
They're too big for them. They can't manage them and work. And but yeah, go walk so I want to.
You can walk that way?
I can walk back and go.
Alright, no, yeah.
So, but now work with them. I mean, I work with them.
Okay.
The personal I work with them.
Yeah. Oh. Wow.
Rather than disrespect my boss, I can't work with them.
Oh, so disrespect your boss and them take over. So then you get.
And you walk now. You see, my boss helped me so I can't go on like say.
Okay, so you keep the loyalty.
Yeah. Nah, this my boss, so please them. Go.
So are them a bigger boss for your boss then?
They're not bigger than my boss. A position them around.
A position, so them fight out your boss.
Yeah.
To get in control.
To get in control, so I'm for work with them. So they're not coming out.
Yeah.
That's mad, man.
So you say you're going on the North Coast to do some work?
No, I'm not work out in idea, but now I'll go up on the North Coast in January.
The Empress I got feel so bad for no say a Rasta man lose his job.
Yeah, man, people not ready for that. Too much boss.
In here so?
Man, no 6 man and 8 man to be one boss now.
So much 6 and 8 at the boss?
But in the board. Fake them, man. Yeah, we couldn't be coming out.
And the way I see you hard working as well too.
Because we know we not go dead feel hungry.
Yeah.
I work with them. A nice house, my big man build me, man, my boss.
Oh, so them build a house for you in here?
No, man, my boss build me a house.
Oh, them build a house?
For my boss. My boss is a shower lady, you know. She had the council line.
Okay.
She represent Lime Hall, State Town, Chalky. She named Councillor Baby. Yeah. So she make me comfortable so me can go and she, you see?
Yeah.
Every time I board house and take me out of the board and give me black.
And give you black.
Simple, so you have to big him up.
Yeah, true. Keep the loyalty.
Prosperity reside, you see?
Yeah. Keep the loyalty, I understand that still, you know? Wow.
Mama, me I work with you for no mama.
Yeah. Nothing
there. For we not look no friend.
See, that's the thing, you know. Jamaicans like to fight out Jamaicans, you know. I don't know why they must try to work together.
Yeah.
You know, everyone live happily ever after. But no, they want to fight out that person, forget that person's position. Well, it's not only Jamaicans in the world as well, you know, but you know why I would just try to look over things. Because you're a hard working man.
True, man.
But it's even the way I see you put in the work in the sun.
I went out to place in the bush, you know. Me more calling and come here, man. Yeah.
So how long ago this scheme built up?
Good one, man. Couple of years. Yeah, man. Good years.
But 15 years?
Or more, man.
Or more, okay. Because you can see.
Long time scheme. The first scheme there.
Oh, this is the first scheme?
Them a scheme a long time scheme.
That's why it kind of look more country-like.
Yeah. But that is a big lady come make you feel like Imam Sir Phillips clean up here and make the place looking harder. Because the man who want the treehouse.
Yeah.
And then make the place look good. And them deal with fix the road. Then do what they can do.
Yeah.
We know Mr. Phillips, we know Miss Bailey, we don't know these mother.
Okay, so Mr. Phillips them get the place organized and clear.
Yeah, Mr. Phillips have been weird but him get work done.
Yeah.
Man say Ivan will do that. Can't work with them people here not, we can't go take a 5.
You can.
You don't get the rest.
Yeah,
and them will come like slavery back here.
Yes.
You don't work with them.
Wow.
And those people them all miss me, you know.
Yes.
And me I work.
Trust.
Yeah.
No lie. Sorry to hear that.
Come on to do the work, like
so that means that the Empress now can see you again in here, so?
But maybe always, no man, maybe always, they can't check my boss. So if my boss has something to do, I have to go and deal with it.
Oh, so that your boss on the side of me just
she live around that
okay.
way. Yeah. My boss back.
I'm going to tell the Empress, man, I see her, you know? I make sure know. So
what about for tomorrow, Maya?
Supposed to.
But you know, say, can't feel by my phone and
man. Leave my number, you can just call me and find out.
I mean, man.
Hope me. Yeah, man, so. You could say, man, because the rain is forward down, so I don't want to. Yeah, man, so me make sure know, say, I see it, right?
Yeah, live and direct.
And give her the sad news.
Yeah.
You know, sad, because I know she got vexed and everything. But give me a call, man, make sure you know what's going on here.
My mama could have buy me one whipper.
Whipper? What that?
where you cut place with.
Waka.
Yeah.
Oh, Waka you call them.
Yes.
So now you're well, are you empress, you know? You're a woman, you know, so.
You know, with a nice, make some money.
Alright, now make sure you know what go on.
Good one there, you know?
Yeah.
Can make a food.
Alright, so I make sure you know what go on, man. Cause remember, say you are a Rasta, man.
And take care of yourself.
Yes.
Yes. I big him up.
Alright, every
Big
time.
him up for
Leave
me.
one go.
Oh, you mean Ivan said big him up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Keep it bigger up. Tell her we are sending all the messages you want to send her right now.
So mama, when you need a machine, you know?
Yeah.
Nice to come up and go and deal with my thing, you know?
Yeah.
And take care of yourself on the road. Psalms 27, no evil go against you.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Alright. You see, she finally find the Rasta man. She finally find the Rasta man. She and him a go over to the motherland. She get boy, girl and all the land. She finally find the Rasta man. Ooh. Finally find the Rasta man. You the tune bill? She finally find the Rasta man. Hey. Finally find the Rasta. She a get son and she a get son and girl and
See my dear, when we go through one phone, she say, what? Mama, just
Imagine you're walking in Kenya right now. Oh gosh. Oh,
one direct.
live and direct. Yeah, man, so I make sure you know what go on, man. You know the thing, man. We are Rasta, man. So I said I tried it without shoes.
Oh man, I try me
Nature
around.
vibes.
I try me around here the boss, but more time I have to lick it barefoot too.
Yeah, man, get all the energy and
I'll make
everything.
it firm, you know?
Yeah, chant.
Solid.
Solid from them.
Yeah,
Alright, then big up yourself, yeah?
yeah man.
Alright then, so yeah man, so you know, big up to the Rasta man. The Rasta man. You know, so sad, them say a new takeover, new boss. And them say they want to work with that new boss there, so you know, go and keep it loyal to the boss that he was working with before, because that boss had taken him out of a lot of situations. So I guess the new takeover is not really too happy with it or appreciate it, because the new takeover them end up remove his owner, his boss. So because of that now the man say, you know what, it don't make no sense, you know, so him kind of give up his position of the work that he was doing here in the community. You know, it's tough, you know, the Rasta man, he's not really working in here anymore, so I have to break the news to her, you know, Rasta man, today, the Rasta man need you more than ever, so hurry up, take him back to Kenya, you know, so you can get son, daughter and all the land. You get goat and cow and all the land. Hey, son and daughter. Look at that. Yes, this community is very nice. The country life, the country vibes. You know, all the view. We're right in the countryside. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Blessed Father. Ah, cool. Wow. So look at the treehouse. You know, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So guys, Dee is living inside the tree. You know, she's living in the tree. So hold on, let me come on the side here. So there's some work going on where they're building another tree house as well. So this is outside of this tree house. Look how wonderful is this. Imagine imagine living in a tree house. Imagine this. Talk shoot now. So this is the tree house. So this is where they will be calling home, sweet home. You know, and look how high she is. You know, so you got down there, and look how high she is, way at the top, looking down. And if you're at the tree house, she got a relaxing chair right here, and she can sit and relax, and she can swing by, you know, her goes. So let me get a swing. So D got a relaxing chair, so it's more like it's a swing song. So guys, we're underneath the roof, so let's go up to the top, you know. And she's got her hammock as well too. So she got her hammock where she can sit down and relax, you know. How well, it's kind of wet because the rain been falling, as you can see, you know. So she got everything for, and she have her ackee tree. When she ready, she can pick ackee and cook, right? So tell me how lovely is this, right? The treehouse, the Mwango treehouse. Wonderful. So let me show you what's going on inside, guys. Trust me, there wasn't no room to pick, you know. You know, so I'm not gonna have no room to pick. It's not my choice. So I have to accept what's given to me, right? So I'm gonna take you inside. So over here they build another treehouse as well too. So it's like the owner's idea of building treehouse. You know, it's so unusual. You know, so unusual. So they build another one right next to it. So just in case if you like booking and they want to have a whole big family, you know, they're right next to each other. So walking along, as you can see, the walkway, well designed, walking up to the tree house, you know. So tree house, welcome. So just tell me what you think, you know, walking up to the tree house. This is it. So here we got a mini hammock right here with a cushion. You can always relax. Well. So, and let's get a knock. Guys, I'm knocking up the.
Let's see who's knocking. Oh, there's nobody.
Well. Oh, can I come in?
Of course.
Of course. Let me take off my desert clocks. Take off my. Well. So, guys, as you can see, I'm inside. I'm inside the tree house. I'm inside all nature. So I'm mingling with nature. You know, as you can see. This is the lovely. She said not
luxury.
She said not humbly home. It's a luxury home. Luxury tree
This is
house.
not humble. This is luxury tree house.
So as you can see, the kitchen is over here.
Smooth and
As you can, smooth and nice, all made out of tree wood, same way. I don't know which type of wood this is. And as you can see, your window is the same, and there's another tree house building right next door.
So I have a fridge, guys. I have a dishwasher. Trust me, this is luxury. You can't call this humble. This is pure luxury.
Yeah.
I have my dishes. I have everything. And wow, I love it. So this is the dining area. At the same time, it's more of my working station because I love sitting upright while editing my videos. So we have the cooker, we have the microwave, we have everything. The cooker, the microwave, the hot, the kettle, the toaster, everything that you need. We have it for the kitchen, and this is the dining area.
All right, so guys, so as you can see, she's got her settee. You know, they call it, some call it couch, we call it settee. This is all leather.
All leather.
And you have the real king chair,
And
the big boy chair, you know, king, and you have the empress over there.
No, this is the empress. The king is sitting there watching outside who's coming.
So as I may say, I like this chair as well too. Very nice. I don't know what type of how they made this or what they made this from, but trust me,
It's wood
and it's really heavy.
Yeah.
It's heavy. So that's a really
Even
big
the table, you see? Antique, wooden.
Yes. So guys, you know as what I'm saying before, we could have choose rooms, but no, I cannot choose. I have to take what I get, you know, because right now we're at the luxury tree house, you know. So first you have the room here. Let's show them your room, D.
So basically, this is the bedroom. And I have an extra place for my guests when they come to visit. That is it. Yeah, it just goes, look, like this.
Yes.
That is it. So guys, welcome to my bedroom.
So welcome to the bedroom.
Yeah.
The bedded is from bamboo.
Yeah.
With a bamboo
It's
bedded.
a bamboo wood. Of course, you guys know how I love my white beddings, but you're not ready for the house makeover. I'll do that so soon. So I can't wait to take you along, and be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss the tingle. So one thing I love about my bedroom is the view. Trust me, the view is beautiful. I can have the view of the you know, the outside view. As you all see, it's all hilly and forest, and it's beautiful. I love it.
Yeah,
just from the bedroom.
Yeah, so I really like your bedroom, D. So I'm gonna take them to where the guest goes. You know, so this is the room. So I'm gonna take you to the room that I have to accept what you get.
But
you know,
it's beautiful still same way.
take where you get. You understand? So I have to take what I get, and
Check
this
the
is
stairs
so this
up.
is my stairs up. The only way up. There's no other way. So guys, so I hope you love my room. Please, I hope you love my room. And this time, you know, I want to pick with me, you know, choose with me, right? You know, say my room is better than her room. You know, I've been winning in a room so far. You know, so hopefully you like this room more than her room. So welcome to the one. You ready for this? Are you ready for this? Welcome to Kina humble luxury room. Guys, look, I am up. Well, some say ceiling, some say attic, you know, but this is where I'll be catching, you know. I got 2 beds for myself. It's better than the room because I got 2 beds. They only have 1 bed.
If you want, you can actually put them together, and it's big.
Exactly, we have a big king bed. So guys, so this is it. It's lovely up here, as you can see. I'm at the rooftop. I'm higher than D, you know, so she can stay there and looking up on me. So sometimes it's so much better at the top, you know.
Lonely at the top, lonely, lonely, lonely.
Exactly. So you know.
Money on my mind.
So yeah, so everyone trying to go into the top when I am at the top already. So guys, so this is my bed. 2 beds. So if I feel like I'm tired of this bed, we roll over to the next bed.
Or you can put them together and make
We can put them, but I want to stay like this. So if I'm sleeping and getting tired of one, I just roll over on another one, you know. And I got my window there and everything, the view, and I got my sunroof, as you can see. So I'm good up here, you know, comfy, even though I got no door to lock, but I got a stairs. So hey, where you going? Where you going?
And also, there's somewhere to charge your phone. Show them on the tree.
Yeah, so obviously.
That's a live tree.
So right here, we have a tree, right? It's a perimeter tree, because you know the house is built on this tree. So that's what they call the tree house. So this tree is running from, this is the original tree itself. It's still in contact, it's still working, still everything. So this is the tree itself, perimeter. You know, and we have the plug here, and we have the light switch. Light on, light off. So that you can plug and charge your phone. Or if you want, you can put a TV up here as well too.
Yeah.
You know, and yeah, so I love my room. And here is still a tree branch here. It's still this tree, you know, separated. So then cut the board around the tree, so it does. This is it. So then you have to knock first. Knock the wood. Okay.
Alright, but it's pretty, and I love the view from top. Show them now how the house looks like at the bottom.
So this is
pretty.
This is my eye view from the top. So this is what I'm seeing, what you're seeing. So this is my eyes looking down, you know. So guys, I hope you like my room.
We can add more beds here.
Yeah, so when I invite Esther and Mother Teresa, them come down here, them have bed space, so we can buy
mattress.
More mattress. They can buy more mattress for your place.
And put it there.
Put it there, or a blow up bed. You know, so we have more space up here. You know, and remember, we cannot be hot because you have AC and everything. So
and actually it's not hot here because we are up on a hill. You see all this forest. It's never hot here. That's why it's not even on. Like, I don't even feel like I need it.
Yeah, you're on my doorstep. Excuse.
Okay.
You're on my doorstep.
Don't come to my home to make rules for me. You come here as a guest.
Yes. I'm always a guest. I'm always a guest,
my
guys.
best friend, my ninja.
Yeah, so I give thanks. I like the space, you know. Cannot complain. I hope you like my room too.
Yes.
You know, better than the room, you know, and at the top.
Oh, show them we also have the laundry area.
Okay. So you have the laundry area where you can wash.
That is it.
That is it. It's only wash, it don't dry, right?
I dry with the sun.
Okay, so use the sun.
So I have everything, and I have the clips. They call them clips in Jamaica.
Clothespin.
Clothespin, yeah. I have everything.
Clothespin. Say
Yeah.
clothespin. Pin up the clothes.
Okay, without forgetting.
The outside.
Hey.
So let's show them the view from the tree top. Wow.
Hey, you guys. Out there, there's another mohawk right there, if you can see it.
A hammock.
Yeah.
So there's a hammock there, you know, as you can see, the view. So we are living inside the nature, you know, at the top. See, look how far we up, all the way
Like
up.
we are on 12th floor.
Just like living in it's like a 5-storage.
Yeah.
So we're on the top of the 5-storage building. Look how high we are, very high.
And you see how my neighbors are doing good. Good morning, my neighbors.
Shut the hell up.
Yo.
Oh guys, look at the view. Look at the view. So
Breadfruit,
banana,
aki,
breadfruit tree and banana.
mangoes.
It's all lovely, you know, it's lovely, guys. Just tell me what you think, you know, it's lovely. You know, it's too lovely, you know. We
Extremely lovely.
yes, cannot complain.
Yeah.
Too bad it's raining,
And
you
that's
know.
my Nigerian brother. He's a doctor. He lives in Jamaica now.
Where?
So maybe soon
Here?
I'll be doing an interview. My neighbor right there.
Okay, neighbor.
Yeah, he's a Nigerian, but now he's a doctor here in Jamaica and he lives here. That is
Okay.
his house.
Okay, see, they big up to him. Africa.
Yeah, you see? African.
Hey, D, listen. I saw your Rasta man.
Yeah, right. He was cussing.
Rasta man says he's losing job and everything, so.
He said that?
Yeah, because a new owner, new takeover. So him losing job. You know, because him saying he don't want to work with the new owner. Cause he want to.
Oh, you met him?
Yes, when I was walking, so I met him. I'm say, yo, when him see me, him like, what my girl? Him so excited.
Hey.
Like, what my girl? I'm like, she there about, man, she there about. Him like, tell her some I want to see her, I miss her. You know, and everything. So he tell me, say, well, the boss I used to work with, you know, next people then fight out him boss and boss lose their position. So he's gonna continue to keep the loyalty. So if him boss not working, he's not working. He's not working with the new boss in this area. That's what he's saying.
Oh,
you know?
I'm so sorry.
And him say, yo, tell my empress, I want her to buy me one whipper. So I can go take her on the road.
Okay.
That's called Waka.
Okay.
Sometimes I don't worry, man. She's gonna take it to Kenya. You know, we can get son and daughter and all the lands. You know, she finally find the Rasta man. D finally find the Rasta man. Yeah, he's going to Africa. She's gonna get son and daughter and all the land. She finally find the Rasta man. Exactly. So she finally find the Rasta man. She finally find the Rasta man. She get son and daughter and all the land. Son and daughter and all the land. She get goat, cow.
Horses, camels, donkeys,
camel.
goats,
So
sheep.
she's getting everything from the Rasta man. Then don't plant them locks there. Yeah. So guys, so that's it, guys. So thank you so much for watching Kia Life in Jamaica. Remember to smash the like button, put
And
the
check
thumbs
me
up,
out as well.
and check out D Mwango.
Yes, guys.
You know.
The Mwango road to 500,000. So please go and subscribe.
Subscribe and check her out. Check. You know, it's another one.
And finally, here I am living in Jamaica.
Yes. For now, till when she and the Rasta man gone. She finally find the Rasta man. Finally find the Rasta man. So it's time to hit the road now.
Watch I know. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch it now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.